give them a chance to be a learner, not a student. So I did my best to try to find alternative channels instead of the class here, to find ways to exchange ideas and to communicate with them. So I got it. It was the Facebook 3i5.
Yeah.
Yes, 3i5. I wrote the page title on the wall and asked them all to join the Facebook page. My main objective for this is not to speak to them because, as you know, Facebook is just only for writing. So my own experience with Facebook urged me a lot to get the chance to encourage students to start, to be initiative, because our learners are negative learners. They are receptive. They wait until things come to them. I did my best to try to make my students go, to have a step forward. And I think if you all, I think some of you joined our Facebook page, the I5, try to see the interactions between the students and the comments and all the materials bought for them. They think I stay daily. I spend about 3 hours or more than 3 hours with them, so I come here to this class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is it your own idea?
Have to create.
It's my own idea. This is my page 3i5, and these are our students.
And this is your picture when you were
Yes. I'd like to
child, babies.
wait for a minute, for sure. Yes, I showed you yesterday's activities.
Just yesterday?
Yes, yesterday is not yesterday, today is morning. All these were yesterday.
You can send to them all the websites.
Yes, yeah. You asked him. Create, yes.
Create one.
It takes more time.
Yes, yesterday I had an idea to give them a chance to discuss something that they like. I uploaded this video or took the link from YouTube and asked them to watch the video, to state who are the persons in the video and try to discuss it later. After finishing, they showed great intelligence in getting a deep idea about the video, and they discussed, and I took them to the pond and left them. They drank and took lots of water boats with them. I think it worked with them, and now they wait the time when we sit together on Facebook. For them, they get motivated, because some of them, this is only the only chance to practice English, whether in the class or through the Facebook page. Mr. Fawz asked me how to create a group. I told them several times. No. Good one.
Next time.
Next time.
Thank you.
It's 5 minutes. So next time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.